In the heart of Southeast Asia lies a land where cultures intertwine like threads in a beautiful tap. Malaysia, a nation built on harmony, faith, and the simple joy of living together. For Zara, every page in her album tells a story, not just of her family, but of the many colors of Malaysia itself. She remembers the old markets, places alive with voices and scents, where cultures met under one roof. Her eyes still hold those memories of a time when unity was built through daily life. Today, those streets still whisper the stories of people who lived, traded, and grew together. Mosques, temples, and churches, all standing side by side, bound by quiet respect. Inside, the scent of incense rises like prayers to the heavens, peaceful, timeless. Just a few steps away, color bursts from an Indian sari shop, vibrant, joyful, alive. Each thread tells a story, woven by hands from generations of artisans. Different faces, different faiths, yet all sharing the same gentle rhythm of life. At home, her hands move with grace, weaving leaves into ketupat for Hari Raya. The rich aroma of rendang fills the air, warm, comforting, familiar. It's a feast not just of food, but of gratitude and love.
Hello,
Come in.
how are you doing?
We brought you a little something.
When her Chinese neighbors arrive with
Come on
gifts,
in.
laughter fills
How are
the
you
air
doing
once
today?
more.
We are so glad to see you.
Because kindness knows no race, no boundary, only connection. Weeks later, it's her turn to visit them for Chinese New Year.
Hello. Hi. Hi. Welcome.
Red lanterns sway above as familiar
These are my
smiles welcome
favorite.
her in.
Please, have some.
They share tea and stories, small gestures.
It is wonderful.
Big
It's very
meanings.
special to be here with you all today.
In this moment, she's not just a guest. She's family. A red envelope passes from hand to hand, a symbol of shared fortune and friendship. When Deepavali arrives, light and color fill little India with joy. The scent of sweets draws her closer, each flavor a note in
Thank you
Malaysia's
so much.
cultural symphony.
You are most welcome.
The vendor smiles warmly, another friend, another connection formed. She pauses to admire a kolam, a masterpiece of
Happy
patience,
Deepavali,
faith,
everyone.
and tradition.
Many blessings to you.
As night falls, Zara joins the crowd, a sea of lights, laughter, and celebration. In Malaysia, every night market feels like a heartbeat, pulsing with flavor and light. A
One, please.
sizzling wok, dancing flames, food here is more than
Alright.
taste. It's identity. The smoky aroma of satay reminds her of childhood, simple, joyful, shared. Each stick carries stories, of families, of friendship, of countless celebrations. Arbi, an Indian vendor flips roti canai dough, an art of rhythm and motion. It twirls like silk in the light, a dance between hands and air. Zara sits with strangers, but here, no one feels like a stranger. On this table, Malay, Chinese, and Indian flavors meet, harmony served hot. One smile, one gesture, enough to bridge all differences. From above, the market glows, a living mosaic of unity in motion. Morning arrives, and the rhythm slows
I'd like
again.
a copio and kaya toast, please.
In the Kopitiam, the day begins with coffee, toast, quiet conversations. The aroma rises, rich and dark, a smell that belongs to everyone here. Around her, people from all walks of life share the same morning ritual. She smiles, watching connection unfold in
Then
its
you can use
simplest
your
form.
fingers to press down gently on the knife.
Later,
All right,
she teaches
now
a
we want
small
to keep
group how to
going.
prepare traditional
You
rendang.
want to be nice and gentle with it.
Her hands guide theirs, sharing not just a recipe, but a heritage.
This is so much fun.
Laughter fills the air, blending languages and hearts together. When they taste it, silence, then smiles. Culture has done its work. A gentle hug, gratitude that needs no translation. On weekends, the city breathes, families stroll, children play, life unfolds. Here, movement itself becomes connection, from Sepik to Kra to Tai Chi. Zara takes a seat, watching a stage come alive with color and music. She claps along to the joget, proud, joyful, at peace. The rhythm changes, drums thunder as the lion dance fills the stage with energy and pride. Grace follows rhythm. Every
We
gesture
really
of the
enjoyed your
Bharatanatyam
presentation.
tells
It
a
was very
sacred story.
inspiring.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you found it helpful.
And then,
From
Malay,
that day on,
Chinese, and Indian
I learned
dancers
that
move
a
as
true
one,
leader
a living
listens
symbol of
more
unity.
than they speak.
The crowd erupts in applause, harmony, seen, felt, and celebrated. After the show, a group of young students approach Zara with admiration. She tells them stories of the old markets, of neighbors,
The
of shared
different
meals
faiths
and
here
festivals.
live side by side.
Harmony, she says, is not inherited, it's something we nurture every day. Later, she walks to a bridge
Hello.
overlooking the city, where old and new stand side by side.
Hi.
A mosque, a temple, and a church, different paths leading to the same sky. Even those from distant lands find a place here, embraced, welcomed, at home. She smiles at a passing family, and they smile back, strangers only for a moment. A slogan seen by millions, but lived by her every day, Malaysia, truly Asia. Among trees and sunlight, she walks quietly, at peace with the world around her. She stops by the lake, watching her reflection ripple with the breeze. A hibiscus blooms nearby, red like her heart, steady like her spirit. In the distance, the Petronas towers shimmer, symbols of a nation growing strong together. Her silhouette stands between past and future, where heritage meets hope. The sun sets over Kuala Lumpur, painting the sky with colors of harmony. Each day ends, but the light remains, carried in every heart that believes in unity. Back home, she gazes outside, the neighborhood glowing softly in evening light. She lights a small oil lamp.
This is
Its
where I
flame
find my
flickers
peace
gently,
and joy.
just like the warmth of
A
her nation.
space I've carefully created.
She returns her photo album to its place. The story of family, of community, of Malaysia. On its
Hello
spine,
there,
the
it's a
words
pleasure to
Keluarga
meet you.
Kita, our family, shimmer softly under the light. She stands still, content, surrounded by memories and quiet joy. She looks at us, her smile gentle, timeless, reminding us that harmony is built together,